Most people get this wrong when trying to use a Walmart gift card online. They enter the wrong number. They don't know where to apply it. Or they think the card isn't working when there's actually a simple fix. Here's the truth no one tells you. Using a Walmart gift card online is easy, if you know exactly where to enter it and how the payment process works. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use a Walmart gift card online, how to check your balance, what to do if the card doesn't work, and how to combine it with other payment methods. So let's get straight into it. First, a Walmart gift card can be used for many purchases on Walmart's website or app. You can use it for groceries, electronics, clothing, home items, and more. But here's the problem. Not every item may be eligible in the same way. And this is where most people fail. Some third-party seller items may have restrictions. So always check before checkout. Now, step 1 is simple. Open the Walmart app, or go to Walmart's website. Sign in to your account. You can sometimes check out as a guest, but signing in makes it easier to track orders and manage payments. Now search for the item you want. Add it to your cart. Once you're ready, go to checkout. This is where the gift card is applied. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of people look for the gift card option too early. They search on the product page, or in the cart, but it usually appears during checkout in the payment section. So keep going until you reach payment. Now in the payment section, look for an option like gift card, promo code, or apply gift card. Tap it. Now enter the gift card information. Usually this includes gift card number, and sometimes a PIN. The PIN may be hidden under a scratch-off area on physical cards. Enter both carefully. Now here's the problem. One wrong digit can cause errors. And this is where most people fail. Double-check everything. For example, Alex types the wrong number. The card fails. Jake rechecks carefully. It works instantly. Simple. Now after entering the card details, tap Apply. The gift card balance should be deducted from your order total. If the gift card covers the full amount, you may not need another payment method. If it doesn't cover the full amount, you'll need to pay the rest another way. For example, credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another accepted method. Now let's talk about checking your gift card balance. This is important, because many users don't know how much is left. And this is where most people fail. Before shopping, you can check your balance online. Go to Walmart's gift card balance page or use the app if available. Enter your card number and PIN. Then you'll see your remaining balance. For example, John thinks he has $50, but only $12 remain. Now he knows before checkout. That saves time. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can often combine gift cards with another payment method. So even if the balance is low, you can still use it. For example, an order is $80. Your gift card has $25. Walmart uses the $25 first, then charges $55 to your other payment method. Simple. Now let's talk about common problems. Problem number 1. Gift card not working. Solution. Recheck the number and PIN. Problem number 2. Insufficient balance. Solution. Add another payment method. Problem number 3. Card already used. Solution. Check balance history or contact support. Problem number 4. Item not eligible. Solution. Try another item or remove restricted items. Problem number 5 is app glitch. Solution. Use the website instead. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid gift card errors completely. But first, let's talk about physical versus digital gift cards. Physical gift cards have printed numbers and often a hidden PIN. Digital gift cards are sent by email. You can copy and paste the code. This reduces mistakes. Now here's the easiest way to avoid errors. Copy and paste digital codes when possible. Type slowly on physical cards. Double-check every digit. And confirm balance before checkout. Simple. Now let's compare two users. Alex rushes. Types the wrong code. Gets frustrated. Jake checks balance first. Applies the card correctly. Completes checkout fast. Jake saves time. This is where most people fail. Now let's talk about refunds. If you return an item bought with a gift card, the refund may go back to the gift card. Or Walmart may issue store credit. This depends on the return policy. Always check. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users forget to save partially used gift cards. Never throw them away until the balance is zero. You may still have money left. For example, John spends $30 from a $50 card. He still has $20. That matters. Now let's quickly recap. Open Walmart app or website. Sign in. Add items to cart. Go to checkout. Open payment section. Select gift card. Enter card number and PIN. Tap apply. Pay any remaining balance. Place your order. That's the full process. Simple once you know the steps. Now you know exactly how to use a Walmart gift card online. No confusion. No wasted time. Just the fastest and easiest method. If this video helped you use your Walmart gift card online, hit the like button. Comment below if your card worked, or if you had any issues. And if you want more simple Walmart tutorials and step-by-step guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.